In the name of Almighty Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. As Muhammad, peace be upon him, narrated, if anyone travels on a road in search of knowledge, Almighty Allah will cause him to travel on one of the roads of paradise. Hello everyone, this is Dr. Tariq Masood. Thank you very much for watching my videos and your wonderful support to make the channel a grand success. We are a partner, a family. Please subscribe and share our channel if you haven't done so far. We as a team can work together to convert challenges into opportunities and opportunity into success stories. These success stories can be monetized into value addition in the world by large. Thank you very much again. Today I'm going to discuss my lecture number 4, oil and gas productions. So before my lecture, I used to read a Quranic verse. Qala Rabbi Shrahli Sadri wa Yassarli Amri Wahlalu Uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli Allahumma Rabbi Zidni ilma. O my Lord, open my chest and ease my task for me, and loose a knot from my tongue, that they may understand my saying. Allahumma Rabbi Zidni ilma. O Allah, advance me in my knowledge and true understanding. Thank you very much again for your precious time. Okay, my lecture is dedicated to faculty members and student departments of Chemical Environment Engineering at GCT and NFCIT Multan. In particular, late Professor Dr. Saeed Ahmed, rest in peace, and Professor Dr. Afzal Haq, former Vice Chancellor and pioneer of NFCIT Multan, Pakistan, former VC at NID UET, Karachi, and Professor Dr. Tahir Imran Qureshi, Master of Organic Chemistry. Number 3, faculty member and student, departments of Petroleum Chemical Engineering, Texas A&M, College Station, and Qatar campus. Faculty members and student, Department of Chemical Engineering, Gas Processing Center, and Industrial Engineering at Qatar University. Management and Operation and Maintenance staff members of Parker Fertilizers and OGDC Pakistan, in particular Kadarpur Gas Processing Field, Aghodki, Sindh, Pakistan. Last but not least, I'm very much indebted and pay my deep gratitude to senior executive management and operation and maintenance staff members at Qatar Petroleum from 1997 to 2020. With great privilege and honor, I have completed 24 years of my glorious career at different levels and positions at Qatar Petroleum. Thank you very much for everyone for your unprecedented support and belief on me. This is my future plan to deliver more than 300 lectures on oil and gas productions. Today we're going to discuss introductions, facilities and processes, reservoir and wellhead, upstream facilities, midstream facilities, refining facilities, petrochemicals, utility systems, conventional and unconventional resources and environment effects. What is the ultimate goal? Shaping the clean and sustainable global energy delivery, and probably we will deliver to more than 300 lecture next couple of years. Okay, this is a very important slide. It demonstrates my personal contributions for 24 years with Qatar Petroleum. Remember, whole my career I moved against the wind, and everything I took as a challenge, and I never accept the defeat. Okay, by using artificial intelligence, following in-house systems developed and implemented successful without any external internal vendor support, led to save $1 million QR for Qatar Petroleum. First, I have developed and published Operation Excellence 20 initiatives, framework and TRs. Number 2, develop and implemented a flaring surveillance model to monitor and measure a flaring incident in a real-time operation, whereas it captures each molecule of hydrocarbon released from the plant due to any reason. Number 3, develop and implemented a gas lift management system to overcome gas lift injection deficiency and added 8 to 10,000 barrel oil every day. Number 4, gas lift injection and gas balance dashboard developed. Number 5, developed and implemented a chemical surveillance model to monitor and measure required chemical at each injection point that read Crygenic inhibitor, optimized and saved more than 30% chemical consumptions. Number 6, actionable department voice production dashboard. Number 7, actionable OMD dashboard linked with CO dashboard. Number 8, develop and implement a power water injection management system in real-time operations. Number 9, develop and customize CPM, control performance monitor, to optimize and enhance equipment performance in order to achieve zero trip incidents. Number 10, developed and implemented a real-time engineering workstation to optimize equipment performance and to address all types of operation bottlenecks and process control issues. Number 11, developed and implemented a real-time equipment performance monitoring systems. Number 12, a long list of e-reporting systems to save a man-hour where time is money. Number 13, a long list of well-testing model for crude oil recovery performance enhancement. Please send me email if you have any question or query about these systems. Thank you very much for your precious time. Okay, oil and gas production, facility and process, lecture number 4. Today we are going to discuss additional offshore facilities. Okay, key takeaway points from lecture number 4. First, we will discuss offshore production facilities, tension leg platform, semi-submersible platform, spares and subsea production systems. Okay, my first slide, we are going to discuss oil and gas production. First is the FPSO, floating production storage and offloading. Okay, second is VLC and post-mode. So what basically the production, storage and offloading main advantage is that they are a standalone structure and does not need external infrastructure such as pipeline or storage. Crude oil is offloaded to a shuttle tanker at regular intervals from day to weeks depending on a production and storage capacity. FPSO, floating up production, storage and offloading, currently producing from around 10,000 to 200,000 barrels per day. It depends on a field capacity. FPSO is typical a tanker type hull or barrel, often converted from an existing crude oil tanker VLCC or ULCC due to the increased sea depth for new fields. They dominate a new offshore field developed at more than 100 meters water depth. The wellheads or subsea rises from the sea bottom are located on a central or above mounted turtle so that the ship can rotate freely to point into wind, waves or current. The turtle has a wire, a rope and chain connection to several anchors, position mooring, post mode, or it can be dynamically positioned using thrusters or dynamic positions. Most installations use a subsea wells. The main process is placed on the deck while the hull is used for storage and offloading or shuttle tanker. It may also be used for transportation of the pipeline. FPSO with additional processing systems such as drilling and production and standard gas LNG production are part of the FPSO. Okay, on my next slide, we will discuss attention leg platform, how it is constituted as far as the offshore platform is concerned. Okay, now tension leg platform, TLP. So consists of structures held in place by vertical tendencies, and second is a pile skewer, and third or second a steel pipe. Okay, it consists of structures held in place of the vertical tendons connected to the sea floor by pile skewered templates. The structure is held in fixed position by tension tendons which provide for use of TLP in a broad water depth range up to 200 meters. The tendons are constructed as hollow high tensile strength steel pipe that carry the spare buoyancy of the structure and ensure limited vertical motion as demonstrated here in the picture. Okay, on my next slide we will discuss a semi-submersible platform. Okay, semi-submersible platform. It consists of first a taut buoy, lateral and vertical motions, tension. Okay, spares. Okay, spares consist of single tail, seabed, and tethered. It consists of a single tail floating cylindrical hull sporting a fixed deck. This cylinder does not, however, extend all the way to seabed. Rather, it is tethered to the bottom by series of cables and lines. The large cylinder serves to stabilize the platform in water and allows for movement to absorb the force of potential hurricanes. Spares can be quite large and are used for water depth from 300 to 3000 meter. SPR is not an acronym and is named for the resemblance to the ship. Spares can sport a dry completion wells but are more often used with a subsea wells. Okay, on my next slide we will further discuss a subsea production system. Production system: first, opposed, movable rig, and subsea system. Okay, wells located on the subsea floor as opposed to the surface, as in a floating production system. The petroleum is extracted at the subsea bed and is then tied back to the pre-existing production platforms. Even an onshore facility is limited by horizontal distance of offset. The wall is drilled by a movable rig and the extracted oil and natural gas is transported by undersea pipeline and riser to our process facilities. This allows one strategically placed production platform to serve many wells over a reasonable large area. Subsea systems are typically used at depth of 500 meters or more than do not have the ability to drill, only to extract and transport. Drilling and completion is performed from the surface rig. Horizontal offsets of up to 250 to 50 miles are currently possible. The aim of industry is to allow fully autonomous subsea production facility with multiple wall pads, processing, and direct tieback to shore. Okay, conclusion here. We have discussed offshore production facilities. First, tension leg platforms, semi-submersible platform, spares, and subsea production systems. We'll discuss upstream processing section, wellhead, manifolds and gathering system, and separation. Thank you very much for your precious time. So references: World Energy Order 2013, US Geological Survey, US Department, Schellenberg Fields, International Energy Agency, Wikipedia, Oklahoma State Margin Well Commissioning Pumpers Manual, State Hall, NORSEC, Story of Oil in Pennsylvania, Air, Liquid Gas Encyclopedia, Natural Gas from the Wellhead to Burner Tip. Together, everyone achieve more. Please don't hesitate. Send me your feedback and comments at t.masood.dr@bath.edu. Please stay at home, stay safe, inspired, and blessed. Thank you very much for your precious time.